Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the kettle. Okay, as you can see, this is burnt very badly. So first of all, I'm going to add some Vim liquid to it, then some water, and I'll leave it for around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, I'll just mix this. Okay, once. Then I'm going to leave it, okay, for about 5 to 6 minutes. So after 5-6 minutes, now you can remove it easily. Okay, so scrub it like this. As you can see, okay, now do it for one more minute. I think it will be cleaned properly. So it is not that tough. Now it is cleaned properly. Now just wash it off. I'll show you by throwing the water out. Just a second. Okay, so now clean the kettle with water. Okay, wash it. As you can see guys, kettle is cleaned properly. Okay, this burn mark will be there. Okay, this will go up when you will wash so many times after preparing something. Okay, so do try it and let me know whether it worked for your kettle or not. Bye bye, take care.